settings, which is the page we were pretty much just at, and the basic, and it's not 60 frames per second, then don't mess with it. But I'm going to enable it. Custom streaming server URL. I just paste this here. So, oh no, that does not go there. This goes in the stream key. So the stream name goes in the stream key right here. My bad, guys. So just delete that from the URL. So the URL is going to highlighted text. And, okay, obviously it says this event can't be featured. Hit preview. So mine's successful, so I can actually start this stream, and then it'll start my stream. Once you start your stream, if I start this stream, I don't know if it'll actually start. Okay, so it started. So once it starts, you're actually in the live control room now, so you can go ahead and preview your stream right here, but it's actually not going to happen here because my stream is private. Okay, so here's my stream right here. This is what the public will see. You can actually open your live chat in a new window if you want to keep up with the chat. But what I usually do to keep up with the chat is I view on the watch page so that I can look at the chat and showing you how to actually stream stuff. So once everything works fine, you're good, man. You're good. So the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to launch a game and we're going to try to play it. So the scenes, this is just basically the main group of things, and then the sources are what you're actually going to be recording with. You don't want to have your desktop audio and your mic at the same like level, because you can just hit the mute button, whatever floats your boat, but I leave. So first I'm actually, before we do the game stuff, see how much your CPU uses, and this right here is the display capture. You can rename it to whatever you want. So if I select display 0, it's going to stream my display 0, and if I select display 1, it'll start streaming display 1. Do the game stuff. I'm going to show you how to record your desktop, so streaming, because it's actually still streaming right now. So what's pretty cool is it tells you how much your CPU uses, and this right here is the duration of your stream or your recording. So alrighty, the first thing you want to do once you start recording things is you want to launch a game that you want to record. So first I'm actually, before we do the game stuff, I'm going to show you how to record your desktop. So what you want to do is you want to go to display capture. You can rename it to whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it whatevs. I don't know. If I add PUBG, that's PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, that's a game, is we're actually going to launch a game, and we're going to try to see one watching now. You can like it, so your stream shift settings, now you're like, well, how do I stream a game or my desktop? Now I'm going to show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and stop streaming on here since I'm done, and we can go ahead and minimize all that once you're done testing. Once everything works fine, you're good, man. You're good. So the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to launch a game, and we're going to try to play it. So I'm just going to open Steam really quick. Oh, of course Steam has to update at like the best moment ever when I'm making a video. That's freaking awesome. Just open that. So alright, so I should explain to you guys how this all works. So the scenes, this is just basically the main group of things, and then the sources are what you're actually going to be recording with. So if I add PUBG, that's PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, that's a game, that's going to be a game here. And if I enable that, it's going to start recording PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. And if I disable it, then it'll totally ignore Battlegrounds and it won't record it. So the mixer, these are your audios. So I usually put my desktop around 10 decibels, because you don't just mute your mic over here, turn it all the way down, or you can just hit the mute button, whatever floats. And this right here, you want to go to display capture. You can select display 1, it'll start streaming display 1. But yeah, that's things like if you want to capture anything else, really, you know, stuff like that. Things like kind of something like that, something that captures video alerts and add chat to the stream. Feel free to use this for like the League of Legends client, If you want to record like a web page game, like a Flash game, I'd use that. You can add images, browser sources. Browser sources are kind of like follower alerts, you know, stuff like that. Things like kind of widgets for your stream. If you want to know how to do follower alerts and add chat to the stream, feel free to watch my other tutorials. I have a lot more tutorials on OBS and things like that on my channel. So anyways, you can do audios if you just want to do audio. And then video capture device, that would be for like your webcam or something like that. There we go. Haven't played this game in forever. Even though I have 240 because the intro for Counter-Strike sometimes ear rapes you and it can get annoying, you know. You want to leave the game running, and then you just hit the plus button, game capture. I'm going to name this CSGO. Like that. And you want to uncheck capture any full screen application. Go to the game, and I'm silver too. Okay. Thanks, game. Now everybody knows I'm a silver scrub. Anyways, so you would want to go back into OBS after you tab out. You want to leave the game running, and then you just hit the plus button, game capture. I'm going to name this CSGO. Like that. And you want to uncheck capture any full screen application. Go to Window, go to Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and then hit OK. And it should be recording CSGO now. So if I open CSGO and tab out,
Good shot. One mercenary left, wasting our time. Terrorists win. Come on, let's go. I need help! Nice shot, my friend. Our win brought us victory. Forward! I see a murder. Where is everyone? That makes 3 left. What did have here? Great. Smoke. I've lost them. Terrorists win. We must move. What's happening? They're letting go. I'm throwing smoke. Very good shooting. Nice shot, my friend. Very good shooting. Nice shooting.
Terrorists win.
Remember this day, my friends.
So whatever floats your boat, but I leave a Flash game, I'd use that. You can add images, browser sources. Browser sources are kind of